RJ, I understand that you've recently partnered with OnRamps, and OnRamps works with a number of big organizations, well-known organizations, Girl Scouts, Boys and Girls Club, Obama Foundation. So what led you to them and sort of how is that working out? Tell us a little bit more about that.
Yeah, great. They're really a great group. We're fortunate to partner with them. I was introduced to them through a group a CEO group that I'm part of, Vistage. If you guys know Vistage, right? OnRamps came and gave a presentation to our Vistage group, and it's ironic, when they first came through, Kaylee and Carly, to do this. I'm like, oh my gosh, we just had a presentation in the morning. The last thing I wanted was another, 45 minutes of something, right? And as they're talking, I'm thinking, ooh, this actually, this actually is good. Like I need to hold on. Where's my pen? I need to write this stuff down, right? So it was really it was my aha moment. Like, okay, there is an opportunity here, and when. And I just had this conversation with another leader of a small university, and we were lamenting the fact that all of our team or many of our team members are they're on the hamster wheel, right? They're on the treadmill. They're going and going and going, right? And for someone to kind of toss another thing, another responsibility onto their task list. It's like, you've got to be kidding me. Like, exactly. How do I keep the plate spinning, right? I mean, really? You're gonna do that to me? Like, sure, Tom. Hey, you can take this on, can't you? We need to
pile it on.
Exactly. Right. And again, we got great people on our team. They would say, oh, sure, we'll give that a go. I'm like, no. So anyway, so the idea that we didn't have to solve this internally, that we could actually partner with an organization that does this, right? So come in and evaluate, assess our onboarding, assess kind of how we go about engaging our team when they come on board, right? And again, it's not just about checking those boxes. Let's go out and really kind of figure out, how do we do this better? Like, how do we really create this culture, right? And be, I've used this word a lot in our conversation, just be that much more intentional in how we do this and how we are setting ourselves up for success.